Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here, Dota 2 searching for game coordinator. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to fix this error, what's really going on, the latest update from the game developers. So without a further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so let me show you latest update. Connected to Dota 2 game coordinator logging in. And here's the thing guys, this error is occurring to tens and tens of people and this coordinator down for anyone else. Do let me know into the comments down below, are you getting the same exact error? Dota 2 stuck on logging in, connecting game coordinator. Dota 2 connecting game coordinator issue Dota 2. Is it just you or someone else experiencing it? Here is the thing guys, tens and tens of people are experiencing the same login in error. People are requesting please fix this error because they can't able to play Dota 2. Is Dota 2 coordinator down for the patch? Well, let's check it out, the latest update from the game developers and all that. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so right over here onto the Valve software, let's check it out. Do we got any update regarding the Dota 2? Well, there is no recent update. There was an old update right over here. Then right over here onto the Dota 2 Twitter official page, let's check it out. Do we got any update? Well, here you can see guys, on to September 23, they got this one right over here. September 24th, events, nothing special, and into the replies, nothing special as well. Right over here onto the Dota 2 updates, well, let's check it out. Do we got any update? Well, as of right now, no updates right over here as well. But guys, as far as the latest details goes, as far as what people are saying, well, it's time to release the Kraken. Maybe it could be the thing, and it really sucks when there is no information regarding this, and it has been more than 2 hours and it's still down. Awful communication from the game developers itself, and same thing is happening to tens and tens of people. You can see maybe there will be a new patch coming very soon. It could be compendium, it could be compendium. Do let me know guys, what do you think about it? But it is same thing for tens and tens of people, so you're not alone facing this issue, so you can take stress out of your head. It's 100% sure that a new update is coming very shortly. I guess it could be compendium, who knows what is the actual thing. Do let me know if you got any clues, any hints, what's really going on into the server. But servers are out. Right over here onto the down detector, here you can see Dota 2, many people are reporting tens and tens of outage, 285 outage reports for the Dota 2. So definitely guys, this is a big issue going on. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.